Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add someone on Snapchat. Adding friends on Snapchat lets you connect, share snaps, and build your network easily. So let's get started on how to add someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the Add Friend option from the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a profile icon with a plus sign in it. Here you have two options. You can scroll down and add someone from Quick Add section, or you can search for the specific Snapchat user using the search bar. For this guide, we will add users from Quick Add section. So scroll down in the Quick Add section until you find the user that you want to add. Once you find the user you want to add, simply tap on the Add button right beside the user's profile. And this is how you can add someone on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.